At the beginning of the season, I only had about 7 plants that I started from seeds, and I got some from the nursery, and a very cool dude from the Pepper groups, Matty Bauer, he sent me around 7 plants, I think, and 2 of them were Scotch brains. One I tasted already, the regular Scotch brains, and this was labeled Scotch brains 7-pot Pheno. So these had a different shape, looking like, I guess, either 7-pot or scorpion-like. So I tasted the regular, and I kind of want to taste these and compare. Maybe they're hotter, or they look hotter because of the shape. So let's try one of these and see. Let's try this nice one with the stinger, with the little stinger looking shape. So yeah, nice large pods. Let's cut this one. Let's see what's up with these. So the walls are a little thinner than the regular Scotch brains. The Scotch brains, as you saw in my previous review, had not much, a bit thicker on the walls. So nice sweet citrusy scent, smell, just like the regular Scotch brains. They are very much alike in smell, I think. And yeah, that's quite a bit of placenta there. I may attempt to take some seeds out. I'm not gonna bite that far up where the seeds are, but let's just take them out. So there's still some seeds in there in the bottom part. I'm not gonna take them out. There's a bit of placenta there running down the bottom, so this is gonna have full strength, not just outside walls. Nice sweet citrusy flavor, and they kind of have that same texture as the airplane never fails, man. Newark Airport. They kind of have that same flavor and texture. The texture is not they're hotter. the Scotch bonnet and the Scotch brain texture is like it's almost like a spongy, not crunchy, very juicy, and I kind of like that. I enjoyed the Scotch brains very much when I ate it. I ate a whole half, and the heat was very comfortable. This heat is just a bit hotter. I don't know, maybe the placenta flesh was running down all the way to the bottom on this one, but it is a couple of notches hotter than the other one. My eyes are watering, and there's ambulances and taking another bite. Very nice fruity flavor. They're not floral at all. Like I said, the regular Scotch brains, it was so nice and fruity, and the thicker walls had that kind of spongy feel. I really like that. And these, even though they have a thinner wall, they're very similar to that. They almost have the same taste. You know, ended up eating the whole half, but the heat is just a little bit more. Very nice pepper. I'm gonna save seeds from these and hopefully grow them again. Very nice. So here's the Scotch brain 7-pot Pheno. Plant is right here. Still has a few more peppers coming on there. My season was late, so wow, that heat is climbing a little bit. So yeah, the plant's not huge. I started late. Everything was late. Even after I got the plants from Matty, I took probably almost 2 weeks to replant them. It's really busy and got them done really late. So there you have it. If you like to win some seeds from these, comment seeds, and there will be a giveaway. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Catch you next one.